Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to create an account in the Cloud Sync in Genius POS. First, make sure you have signed up the cloud package, and then make sure your Genius POS apps is online, and then make sure it's synchronized. Then go to your tablet or your laptop or your handphone, go to the browser, then go to the cloud.geniuspos.com.my and log in. After login, you saw this. If you want to create an account, so go to the account and select accounts. As you can see, this is all of the accounts in the Genius POS, which means that this is the user that can log into the cloud and do the modification. If you want to create an account, just click here, create new account. So you can fill in the username. Let's say, for example, your username cannot contain space, so my email address and then my password. Then from here you can set that the accessible branch, which branch that this user can control, and then the accessibility such as the dashboard, the branch, and then the receipt, and all the reports and the others, and just click create account. After create a user, then it will show new user created, just click OK. Then since it's haven't activated, so check to that user email. You will receive an email like this, so just click verify your email address. Then it will show successfully activated. Just click done, and back to the browser just now, just click refresh. So it shows that it's activated. And then as a super admin, you also can click the edit to edit the user permissions. If you don't want this user to access this branch, just untick it and then just click save. If you want to delete the user, just click delete and just click yes. Then it shows user deleted. Other than that, let's say you want to create an account for the branch without going to the main iPad, just click add accounts. Then from here, it will show all of the accounts in the Genius POS app. For example, all the user just now, it shows to the cloud like this. So let's say you can create a new user, then I can give the permission, or I turn it off. After that, just click add. So you can add the user remotely from the cloud. So it shows there's a new user here. Then go back to your Genius POS apps. Then you click sync now. Then from here, you can see there's a new user has been created. Furthermore, you also can delete the user or duplicate its permission. You can delete the account. So there's no more that Seng user. Then go back to your iPad and click on the Cloud Sync and click sync now. That user will disappear. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。